What if you could draft an entire professional report, including images, just by having a conversation? Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Copilot web interface to generate a full Microsoft Word file from scratch. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. Now, here I am at copilot.microsoft.com. And I want you to notice I am not signed into any account. This is just the website, copilot.microsoft.com. And I'm just going to go down here to the dialog box and I'll put in my prompt. Maybe something like this: draft a formal project proposal. I put in some details. I ask for a high quality photo, and I'm just going to go ahead and submit that prompt. Copilot is encouraging me to sign in to my free account. Maybe I'll do that later. But in the meantime, I now have a draft of this proposal, a project overview, key benefits, a timeline, and other details as well. Now, of course, I could copy-paste this into Microsoft Word or Google Docs, Apple Pages, whatever it might be. I can also click this button here, Edit in a Page, and this takes me to a Copilot page where I can work. And in some ways, this seems kind of like Microsoft Word. I can go ahead and get rid of text I don't like, correct any errors. I can clean it up to be less wordy if needed. Now, when I'm done, I can click this back arrow, and I'm going to ask Copilot to create a downloadable Microsoft Word version, and I'll submit that. Let's see what Copilot does. It says it's finished creating the Word version, and I can just click this button to download it to my computer, click to open it up, and there it is. Again, I want to just point out that I was able to create this Word document without signing into Copilot. If I had signed in, I would have even additional options and the ability to kind of save the work and come back and work on it more later. So I would encourage you to give this a try by going to copilot.microsoft.com. I'm not suggesting that this is the best way to create finished documents. No, but it's fantastic for creating the first draft. And then you can go in, make adjustments, make improvements, add more of your own thoughts and ideas into it. You know, for many writers, the hardest part of writing is just getting started. And by using Copilot to create their Word documents, they're no longer starting with a blank page. And it can make it much easier to just get started, make changes, and put their thoughts into Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you so much to my Super Techie channel supporters. I really appreciate you. And I would ask anyone who enjoyed this video, please share it with someone that you think could benefit from it. I would really appreciate it.